Refining begins with a process called distilling. Crude oil contains a variety of hydrocarbons that have different boiling points. To separate these, the oil needs to be superheated. After the oil is heated, it is fed into a distillation tower where it becomes vapor. The vapor is fed into the distillation unit. As it rises and cools, the vapor turns back into a liquid. Using stacks of trays, the liquid is easily collected and separated by weight. The distilled products are piped off from the different levels of the tower. These separated products are called fractions or distillates. The lighter and medium weight liquids require less processing before they're ready to be used in cars and trucks. The heavier liquids need more processing to become useful. A process called cracking is used to maximize the usefulness of heavy oil. Heavy oil has long strings of carbon and hydrogen molecules. Using a catalyst, these molecules can be broken into smaller chains, transforming the heavy oil into lighter, more valuable fluids. Reforming is a process that increases the amount of gasoline produced from crude oil. One of the products separated in the distilling process is a liquid called naphtha. The number of carbon atoms in naphtha is about the same as the number found in gasoline, but their structure is more complex. Reforming rearranges the naphtha molecule, turning it into a usable gasoline-like molecule. The blending process combines different refinery products to produce finalized petroleum fuels. Gasoline, for instance, undergoes blending to meet octane requirements, resulting in the various grades available at fuel stations: regular, mid-grade, and premium. These grades are tailored to fulfill the specific demands of different types of engines. Treating is a process employed to clean up the gasoline and manufacture environmentally friendly fuel. This helps protect both the environment and health. Gasoline typically contains impurities such as sulfur, which can be eliminated through treatment. When gasoline molecules are subjected to heat and interact with a specific catalyst, a chemical process takes place, removing sulfur from the molecules. These sulfur compounds are then used in fertilizers and pharmaceuticals, ensuring that no resources are wasted in the refinery process. Let's summarize the key oil refinery processes. Distillation. Crude oil undergoes heating to separate its diverse hydrocarbons. Cracking. Heavy oils with lengthy hydrocarbon chains are broken down, producing lighter fuel. Reforming. Complex molecules in naphtha are rearranged to produce simpler, usable gasoline-like molecules. Blending. Various refinery products are combined to produce the final petroleum products available at gas stations. Treating. Removes sulfur impurities from gasoline molecules, enhancing safety and health aspects of their use.